Hi, this is Nick and welcome to my tutorial on Hysteria by Muse. How it's going to work is I will show you the lines at normal speed and then I'll slow them down and break it up into different parts and stuff, and I'll also write a tab so you can follow along, and hopefully my video will help you learn the song. So good luck and enjoy. 1, 2, 3, 4. And sorry if it's slightly strange that you can't see in my head, by the way, but this is the verse part slowed down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's focus on the left hand. I will show you how I play it first, and then I'll talk you through it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how I finger this is 0, 0, 2, 0, 2, 4, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 4, 3, 1, 3. And the reason I do that, it might look a little awkward, and I get messages sometimes from people asking how you strengthen your third finger, because that's a lot of people's weak finger. The 3 and 4 are people's weak fingers. And this is a really good song to play that helps strengthen it. And you don't even need to play it full speed, it's just a good exercise. Anywho, so the reason why I do that is it's less of an effort to get down. Because if I was to play it in, well, to be honest, the way I used to play it when I was about 15, I used to play it like this. So, or even like this sometimes. So I mean, as you can see, it's more awkward than if you prepare yourself beforehand, because you know where you've got to go. It's just a lot less effort, as I'm sure you can see with my talking hand. So one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so the next chord is an E major, but the bass line is a very minor-y sounding thing. It's kind of like a pentatonic E. You'll get it. Anyway, so that's super slow. This one goes like this. Sorry, I'll count you in. 1, 2, 3, 4. And one more. 1, 2, 3, 4. We don't really need to focus on that one so much with the left hand, because it's, you could play that like a number of different ways, and there's no real wrong way of doing it. It's just how you feel comfortable with that one, really. And the final chord is it's the penultimate chord, I should say, the second to last. It's over a D minor, and this is a very chromatic thing, and there's another, like I said, there's a multitude of ways you can play this as well. So I'll show you a few that, you know, would be comfortable if you like. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I play it like, as you've just seen, I step down with the second and first fingers like this. But you could just use pinky third, third second, second first if you want. I just find it nicer to cascade down, kind of. It just feels more comfortable for me, but yeah. Well, you get the idea. You can do that. And then the last chord is the A minor again. So if you put all of those together, I'll play it full speed for you now. Yeah, if you put all of those together, it should look like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Complete with a little scuff. Oh, one last thing. In the run up to the chorus, on the final A chord, I like to kind of lead down to the chorus line. I'm not sure if it does it on the record, because it's kind of hard to tell at this point, because I learn everything by ear, so. But it's hard to kind of pick out. But anyway, it didn't clash in my cover, so I mean it sounds okay. So I go like this on the very last A chord that leads into the chorus. I play this, and that's the chorus there. So if I was to play the second half of the verse leading into the chorus, it sounds like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is super simple. It just it's the first quarter, I suppose, of the verse part, which is, and then nice and simple it goes again. Okay, so the chorus, it's over 4 different chords this time. It goes C major, G major, D minor, A minor, and pattern wise it's always the same regardless of whether it's major or minor. It's quite a strange one, really. I can't explain why it doesn't clash, but it doesn't. But what Chris plays is root, octave, and then 7th to the octave. So there's nothing special to tell you about the fingering. It's as you would expect. It's just first finger, pinky, and I almost bar the finger across like this. So nice and slowly it goes like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. And then there is a little run that goes back into the verse, which goes like this. Back into the verse. So in context, in the second half of the verse, that line that leads back into the chorus, sorry, the verse goes like this. And the final part of the song that I need to teach you is the bridge. It comes in twice. There's after the second chorus, I believe. rather than doing the run, whatever it is, back to the verse, they just hold on the A chord. Yeah, as you know, you'd know the song if you're watching this. So at the end of the chorus, it goes. And nice and slow now, because it's the same thing repeated 3 times, and then it's actually the run that did take you back to the verse before, just sellotaped on the end. Obviously in a really professional and fantabulous way. But okay, so nice and slow now. We'll do the A as well. So it goes 1, 2, 3, 4. And then that's where the guitar solo starts. A nice way to remember it is it's actually exactly the same shape as the verse part's D chord. You know this? It's actually exactly that same shape, but on the E string. So the same principle applies as what I said before. I mean, there's a multitude of ways of playing it. It just comes down to what you're comfortable with. You could do it like this, like I did, or you can go, or whatever you feel comfortable with. And when it comes to the ending, you play this again, but just 6 times around, and then that's it. You just kind of boom on the B and then slide it down and let it ring just for a fraction of a second, if you want to get super anal with making it sound exactly like Chris. But yeah, so with the ending it goes. Like that. So this is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it helps. Make sure you check out the tab in the description. It probably will look funny in the YouTube description box thingy, but you're probably watching this on a computer anyway, so just open a notepad file, copy it and then paste it into there, and that should look fine. Yeah, good luck learning it. If you've got any more questions, feel free to send me a message or whatever. And please click like if you enjoyed it, and I will see you again probably. I don't know why I said that so suspiciously, like I wasn't ever going to post a video again, because that's definitely not going to happen. Anyway, thank you for watching once again, and I will see you later. Bye!